Gentleman does the photography. Usually got something different. Does the magazines and everything. I think he said he bought an MGF. Did the Princess. He's done very interesting Sherpa motorhome as well. He's off. There for the photo opportunity here. Photo shoots. The cars in front of the former factory here, the last existing part of the factory here. The metro's coming in here. Not really sure whether this is going to last much longer. Certainly, I think it's in the hands of someone which may want to demolish it. Sadly, so that'll be the whole lot gone. It's just this proportion left, all the rest being built on here. Run by MG Motors here, or MG Motor. Certainly, now most of the operations not located here. Low hill lane here. The elephant at the back there. Now the trusty Metro and the Rover 25's in as well. Photo opportunity here. Once a year spectacle here. Now, nobody knows. I think this is now in the hands of some modern. We've got the A-Reg Metro then. But certainly, it could well be gone next year. You never know, hopefully not, but the MG Metro there.
Make sure I'm not in your shot.
Good old thing for us there. I think you used to manufacture the Rover 75. That's the new part, I think. Just about see through the fence here. But well, elephant over there, that's the conference centre there, but other than that, I think some of the operations got a little Bristol now. All fenced off here. The old Longbridge factory. Conference centre over there, and used to be the old elephant, I believe they used to call it there, and the MG sales was down over there, but you can see the few cars here. Got the MG cars here, got a Rover 75 there as well. A few other test cars there as well. At Longbridge. There's cabs over there. Gentleman just said he used to work there. Cabs. Factory at the back there. Rover 75's in here. And the MGZTs for the photo shoot. Well, main entrance here, but nothing much going on here, I don't think. Sadly. Not sure what future holds this building here. But meanwhile, the cars here. More photographs while they can, of course. Nobody knows. It would be nice if they did. Something relating to Austin Rover, MG Rover here. But you never really know. There's probably more cars over here. It's all run by MG Motors. met a former employer, beg your pardon, former employee here. But used to keep some of the new cars here, which are no longer here. Well, there we are. That's it. Longbridge 2023. Meanwhile, then we got the French are here. All right. Some Germans here as well. The car's leaving here. There we go. The V6. I think they're both V6s. And here come the French, they're off. Cheers.